The interaction between equipment, products, and people becomes a reality through movement. The orchestrator is the architect and guarantor of this continuous flow of movements and actions, following the production plan defined by the virtual planner. Thanks to real-time, efficient, and bidirectional data management, the orchestrator coordinates the movements of AMRs, autonomous mobile robots, through the fleet manager.
El gestor de flota nos ayuda a gestionar AMRs en tiempo real, optimizando rutas, circuitos y tráfico, y aportando flexibilidad en la utilización de los medios, todo ello acorde a las necesidades del orquestador. Los flujos de movimiento son flexibles y dinámicos, de forma que nos permiten unir las diferentes áreas de proceso con múltiples combinaciones, y así se adaptan rápidamente a posibles modificaciones en el diseño y la producción, o incluso a potenciales incidencias.
AMRs are responsible for moving tools, welding guns, grippers, and parts all around the factory, ensuring that all the needs of the production chain are met. AMRs are equipped with scanners to ensure the safety of people and free navigation throughout the factory, Wi-Fi antennas to communicate with the fleet manager and with the assembly cells securely, and an artificial vision system to ensure an accurate stoppage.